For sale today is a Millport gap bed lathe. It's 15 by 40. It features a D16 spindle, number 4 Morris taper. This machine is tooled up with a 3-jaw, which is a Cushman, 4 jaws, a buck chuck. It comes with a steady rest, a Fowler rest, quick change tool post with a couple holders. You're gonna get the center for the spindle. It's got a DRO. It's also got a coolant pump. This machine has just been serviced. All the oil galleys have been cleaned and flushed. All the headstocks, the oil has been changed, the gearboxes, your carriage. Everything is adjusted. Gibbs runs nice and smooth. We'll run it here for you. This also has a 2-speed motor, so you can slow the thing down about half speed just by switching the brake. Works as it should. I'll shift through some of the gears here. Thing runs nice and quiet. We'll run some of your feeds for you. Flip this down. Get your cross feed. Lead screw. This handle here will be changed. It just didn't come in time, so I just put a bolt in it, but that'll get changed. We do have the thread dial for it. Everything works as it should. We'll check the cross slide. It's about 10-12 thousandths. And it seems to be about 7 thousandths on that. Runs nice and smooth. Everything works as it should. If you have any other questions about this Millport lathe or any other machine tools, you can give Brandon at Varney Machine a call. Here, we'll let you see this digital readout. It works. Thanks for watching my video.